Hi, I'm Kevin with Atomic Filters, and today I'm going to show you our compatible for the Pentair Clean and Clear 150. This is also compatible with the Predator 150. I'm going to list all the compatible model numbers that this is compatible for, but when you're searching for a replacement for this filter, what you want to make sure is that you have the proper size, and the best way to do is you can check by measuring the filter. A lot of times the model number will be on the top of the filter. You may have a replacement model from someone other than Pentair. So you may have, for instance, a replacement model from Filbert, and their replacement model number is FC-0687. And then also there's a replacement made by Unicell. Their replacement model number is C-9415. And then Pleatco has a replacement model, which is PAP150 or the PAP150. So you can look it up for, if you have that model number, it will usually be right on the top of the filter here with the model number. So the other things you can do is you can measure your filter to confirm that's the correct size filter. This is going to measure 31, just a touch over 31. It's actually going to be 31 1/8 inches. And then if you measure the diameter of the filter, you're going to see that it measures just over 10 inches. It's going to be 10 1/16. And then the open going to be 6 inches across. This is called a no core filter, so it doesn't have any molding on the core here. So that's what you're looking for this type of replacement. So let's go through some of the other model numbers that this is a replacement for. For the R173216, and for the 590543, and the 59054300. So those are some of the model numbers. We also make this in an antimicrobial one that will have a blue media color, and that one is going to be on our site. You can look it up by the FC-0687M, and that M is for the antimicrobial media. So some of the other things that you may want to know about this is the amount of filter area in this particular filter. The filter area is 150 square feet, and then for filter media it has 4 ounces per yard. So you can look in the description of this video to find a link to the product, and there should also be a link to products in the video. You just click on products and it will should bring up this one, and also the antimicrobial one, which is in the blue. So if you have any questions, feel free to check out atomicfilters.com, and you can message us or you can just email us there. Thanks for tuning in.